The Dumbbell Front Sumo Squat primarily works the muscles in the quadriceps, inner thigh adductors, glutes, and hamstrings. Holding the dumbbells in the front rack position increases core engagement and upper body strength, but you won't be able to lift as heavy as when holding them down between your legs. Here's how to do it correctly. Hold a pair of dumbbells in the front rack position by placing each dumbbell on top of your shoulders with your elbows pointing forward. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart in a sumo stance with your toes pointing outward at about a 45-degree angle. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and engage your core. Begin the movement by bending at your hips and knees, lowering your body into a squat with your knees tracking over your toes. Due to the wide stance, lowering your hips until your thighs are parallel to the floor can be challenging, so focus on going as low as your flexibility allows while maintaining proper form. Keep your back straight and chest up throughout the movement to avoid rounding your lower back. Push through your heels to stand back up, straightening your hips and knees. At the top of the movement, squeeze your glutes to ensure full hip extension. Inhale as you lower into the squat and exhale as you push back up to the starting position. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.